Welcome to FotoBegin. FotoBegin.com is your all-in-one platform for managing portfolios, bookings, expenses, and client contacts. Plus, with our new Easy Payment Request feature, you can effortlessly send payment requests to clients. In this video, we'll show you how to sign up for a free account and set up your studio profile in just a few simple steps. Let's get started. Step 1. Open your web browser. In the address bar, type www.photobegin.com and press enter. Step 2. Once the home page loads, look at the top menu. Click on Pricing to see the available plans. Step 3. On the pricing page, you'll find different subscription options. Look for the free plan. Click Choose Package to continue. Step 4. You'll now see a registration form. Fill in the required details, enter your full name. Provide a valid email. Add your contact number. Gender, select the appropriate option. Provide your Facebook profile link. Provide your Instagram profile link. Once done, click on Submit to proceed. Step 5. Now, enter details about your studio. Type in your studio's name. Enter your studio state. Enter your studio city. Provide the studio's postal code. Upload your studio logo, 270px x 68px for best results. When everything is filled in, click Submit to complete your registration. Step 6. You'll receive an acknowledgement email confirming that FotoBegin has received your registration request. The FotoBegin team will verify your profile within 24 hours. Once your studio profile approved, you'll get a confirmation email with access to your portfolio account.